Today we're going to learn Igbo using an Igbo proverb about feet and water. Ndewonu. This is Yvonne Mbanefo of LearnIgboNow.com, helping you become fluent in Igbo language. Today's lesson is about feet and water. The words we're going to learn today are okwu, icho, mmiri. Ready? Let's begin. Ka anyị bido. Ụkwụ ka eji achọ ihe danyere na mmiri. Ụkwụ ka eji achọ ihe danyere na mmiri. Ụkwụ ka eji achọ ihe danyere na mmiri. The explanation for the proverb. Nkọwa. Nwayọ nwayọ ka eji aga n'ihu n'ọnọdụ na-edoghị anya. Nwayọ nwayọ ka eji aga n'ihu n'ọnọdụ na-edoghị anya. Nwayọ nwayọ ka eji aga n'ihu n'ọnọdụ na-edoghị anya. Again, the words we've learned today are okwu, feet, icho, to search for, mmiri, water. The proverb again. Okwu ka eji achọ ihe danyere na mmiri. The foot is used to search for something that fell into the water. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Don't forget to continue practicing and saying the words and sentences over and over again, because that's the only way you can get used to speaking Igbo. If you have any questions about learning Igbo language, just let me know in the comments box, and I will try to answer as many questions as I can. Resource links for this lesson can be found in the description box for this video. Anyway, like this video if you like it, share it, and if you haven't yet done so, do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also remember to click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you can get immediate notifications once I create new videos. As always, Dalu Rinne, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Komesia. Bye for now.